Welcome to the Giftease Academy. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process to create an account for the Giftease Academy and accessing the management portal. This tutorial is specifically designed for admin, enrollment, reporter, finance, and super user roles who require access to the Academy portal. Please note, this tutorial is not intended for candidates wishing to access Reach 360. If you are a candidate wishing to access courses, please contact your designated Giftease Academy administrator or reach out to us by visiting our website or emailing us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk for further assistance. Before getting started, there are a couple of quick housekeeping tasks. You will need to have received your Giftease Academy invitation email to complete your registration. This invitation would have been sent either after creating a brand new organization account or when your primary user invited you via the user management screen in the portal. If you have recently created a new organization account and haven't received your invitation, please check your junk or spam folder. If it's not there, feel free to reach out to us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk. If you were invited by another admin within your organization, please confirm with them the email address they registered you with. If needed, ask them to log a support ticket for assistance. If you do have your invitation email, the next step is to ensure you've downloaded Microsoft's Authenticator app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. To protect your data, the Giftease portal uses multi-factor authentication, and you will require this app to both register and access the portal moving forward. If you don't already have the app, please take a moment to download it now. Once you've downloaded the Microsoft Authenticator app, you're ready to get started. Click on the register link in your invitation email. This will take you to our sign-in page. If you already have an existing account with our data management platform, Cascade, you can enter your current account details here. If you do not already have an account, we'll guide you through the steps to create one now. Existing Cascade users can skip the account creation process, and we will prompt you when to rejoin the walkthrough once our new users have completed their account setup. To create a new account, click on Sign Up Now, as shown here. This will open a new pop-up to verify your email address. Enter your email address and click Send Verification Code. You will now be sent a new email with a verification code. Please check your inbox, including your spam or junk folder for your verification code, and enter this code into the verification code field. Once the code has been entered, click the Verify Code button to complete email verification. Once your code has been verified, you can create and confirm a new password. Ensure your password meets the minimum requirements. Then, add your name details. Once completed, click Create to set up your new Academy portal account. The next step is to link your newly created account to your Microsoft Authenticator app. For existing Cascade users, this is where you'll rejoin the process to connect your existing account with the Academy portal. Open your Microsoft Authenticator app and click the plus sign to add account. Select the type of email account you are using. This will be typically a work or school account. Select Scan QR Code, and using the camera feature on your device, scan the QR code displayed on your screen. You may be prompted to name your account within the Authenticator app. We recommend naming it Giftease Academy for easy recognition. You will see a code displayed against the named account in the app, which refreshes every 30 seconds. Ensuring you have enough time left, enter the code displayed in the app and select Verify. Congratulations, you've completed registration. You will now be logged in directly to the Giftease Academy portal. We appreciate that there were a few steps to complete, but protecting your data is our top priority. That's why we use Microsoft's multi-factor authentication to keep your account safe. Thank you for choosing Giftease Academy. We're here to make learning management simple and effective for you and your team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk. Thanks for watching.